Capacity. Use with up to a maximum of 200 grams, 385 milliliters, of PhosBan, or a media height of 5 inches, 13 centimeters. Aquarium size. 1 reactor for up to 150 gallons, 568 liters. Multiple reactors may be used for larger aquariums. Recommended flow rate. Ca 20 to 30 gallons per hour, 75 to 115 L per hour. Too much flow can grind PhosBan. Connection for hoses 1/2 inch, 12. 7 mm, I.D. The inlet and outlet flexible 90 degrees fittings rotate to suit your installation. The PhosBan reactor is designed with the upflow principle to achieve the most efficient use of PhosBan or other chemical filter media. By pushing water from the bottom upward through a dispersion plate, it forces an even distribution of water through the media, and prevents channeling. Top reviews from the United States. The only solution that works for phosphate so far. This is a very useful product that helps me to bring the phosphate problem under control, finally. I use it on my 44 gallons aquarium for a month now and it is still taking out all of the phosphate. However, it should be noticed that it will require some experience and skill level on getting this unit prep Q red, particularly the initial backwash portion. I used a T-connector to hook it up to a Maxijet 1200 pump and use a reducer on the outlet end of the T to create some back pressure. This way I can use the same pump to provide both circulation, in the aquarium, and enough flow to go through this phosphate reactor. I set this up in a sink and backwash the reactor with tap water, no PO4 in the tap here in Seattle, and ran it for at about 30 minutes to get rid of the fines as much as possible before I transfer it to the aquarium. Getting the right flow rate for an ideal fluidized bed could be tricky, but doable. I would not recommend using salt water from the tank for backwash and flow adjustment, wasting valuable salt.